Welcome to EcoFun's video on monopolistic competition. In this video, we will examine what exactly is monopolistic competition and its relating factors. We'll start by analyzing the in-between of monopoly and perfect competition. Perfect competition and monopoly are extreme forms of market structure. Perfect competition occurs when there are many firms in the market offering essentially identical product. Monopoly occurs when there is only one firm in the market. In essence, many industries fall somewhere in between. Economists call this situation imperfect competition, which includes oligopoly and monopolistic competition. One type of imperfectly competitive markets is an oligopoly, which is a market with only a few sellers, each offering a product that is similar or identical to the products offered by other sellers. Economists measure a market's dominations by a small number of firms with a statistic called the concentration ratio, which is the percentage of total output in the market supplied by the four largest firms. A second type of imperfectly competitive market is called monopolistic competition. This describes a market structure in which there are many firms selling products that are similar but not identical. To be more precise, monopolistic competition describes a market with the following attribute: many sellers. There are many firms competing for the same group of customers. Product differentiations. Each firm produces a product that is at least slightly different from those of other firms. Therefore, rather than being a price taker, each firm faces a downward sloping demand curve. Free entry and exit. Firms can enter or exit the market without restrictions. Therefore, the number of firms in the market adjusts until the economic profits are driven to zero. For example, we can think of several markets with these attributes, such as books, DVDs, computer games, restaurants, nightclubs, clothing, and so on. Now we examine the monopolistically competitive firm in the short run. Each firm in a monopolistically competitive market is, in many ways, like a monopoly because its product is different from those offered by other firms. It faces a downward sloping demand curve. Therefore, the monopolistically competitive firm follows a monopolist rule for profit maximization. It chooses to produce the quantity at which marginal revenue equals marginal cost, and then uses its demand curve to find the price at which it can sell that quantity. Furthermore, if price exceeds average total cost, the firm makes a profit. If price is below average total cost, in this case, the firm is unable to make a positive profit. Finally, we'll check out monopolistic versus perfect competition. There are two noteworthy differences between monopolistic and perfect competition: excess capacity and the markup. For excess capacity, entry and exit drive each firm in a monopolistically competitive market to a point of tangency between its demand and average total cost curve. The quantity of output at this point is smaller than the quantity that minimizes average total cost. As a result, under monopolistic competition, firms produce on the downward sloping portion of their average total cost curve. In this way, monopolistic competition contrasts starkly with perfect competition, as free entry in the competitive markets drive firms to produce at the minimum of average total cost. The quantity that minimizes average total cost is called the efficient scale of the firm. As for markup over marginal cost, when it comes to competitive firm, price equals marginal cost. For a monopolistically competitive firm, price exceeds marginal cost because the firm always has some market power. In this relationship between price and marginal cost, we see a key difference between the two. Imagine that you were to ask a firm the following questions: would you like to see another customer come through your door and ready to buy from you at your current price? A perfectly competitive firm would answer that it didn't care, because price exactly equals marginal cost. The profit from an extra unit sold is zero. By contrast, a monopolistically competitive firm is always eager to get another customer because its price exceeds marginal cost. An extra unit sold at the posted price means more profit. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.